They're not famous or rich, but they're important to their families and neighbors. In 1876, Martin purchased this 125-acre farm. 2 years later, Martin and Carolyn were married. He was 21, she was 16. There were many small communities close by where they visited their families and friends, traded for supplies, attended church and school. They first lived in a one-room cabin that was already here. Their 3 children, Alice, Sarah, and John, were born in that cabin. As the family grew, Martin built the cabin that stands here now. Their last child, William, was born in this cabin but died as an infant. In 1925, he was caught in a storm on his way home from church and died from pneumonia 8 days later. He was 68. The state of North Carolina bought the farm in 1935 to become part of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Although Caroline had a lifetime intention to stay in her home, she went to live with her daughter Sarah when it became too noisy here for her. Carolyn died in 1943 when she was 82. For nearly 60 years, Martin and Carolyn lived on this 125 acres farm, leading their lives based on hard work, self-sufficiency, and abiding religious faith. Descendants of their 3 children often come here to visit their home place. Oh, that's nice. He made his own shoes. Took him 2 weeks to finish a pair of shoes, and he charged $1 for them. I like the front porch. Let's see inside. She made her own clothes out of flax.